So this time I'll show how I integrated Smart Autoresponder into CV-Nexis application. Once candidate agrees with our privacy policy, its CV automatically appears in our candidate's database. So I have an N8N flow, which will take care of all of that. So first thing is try to send an email like I'm candidating to one of the adverts. So advert itself can be RSL or private. So I'm candidating in a designer position. So I write email in subject like engineer designate position. Engineer. So, and I write my hi and position, and I attach like some CV. Just a moment. CV, and I attach like UX designer, one of the samples. So and I send like to company email. So let's send it. I'll send another window because I don't want you to see what's in my mailbox is. So I click send. Now I'll wait until it arrives to my mailbox. So I have this dummy mailbox where there is nothing important at the moment. This is previous samples from other language. So I wait for new email. So I got new email. Now I write an N8 flow, and I write IMAP trigger. So it checks for new emails. So it found one email. I'm determining email type. Is it CV or not? So it's CV email. Now I get adverts. I define is it private or public advert. I check confidence. So it's resell advert, and I'm sending. So I got this email. We received your CV and we'll forward it to connector VIB. So it's a private, so we are selling, in this case, advert. So, and as a company owner, employee, I see that AI informed me also that it was forwarded to connector the which is correct company, and this is email which we'll use afterward. Now let's try another flow when I send email to regarding other advert, which is private one, and where general data protection rules has to be applied. So I again open my email and I write compose. So I'm writing it's to write like transport coordinator or whatever. So write hi position, and I attach also some of the one of the dummy CVs. So I click send in another window. The message was sent. Now I'm waiting for email to arrive. Where is my mailbox? Here. So I'm waiting for my mailbox to arrive. So I received. So now I can click again, execute workflow. Just. So I received one email. I'm again checking, is it CV email? So it did not define because I wrote very abstract email. Just a moment. So only part we need to adjust this description is how to define, how easier AI to determine that it's CV email. Just a moment. So I adjusted just description when it is considered a CV email. which is needed to be more precise. So now I determine it's a CV email. Now agent determines what advert it is. So it determines it's a private advert, and we are sending GDPR request. So if I show message, now we get message that please respond to that we agree to store your CV. So I write, I do agree. I click send just. So it was sent. Now I'm waiting just for another message. All right. Also, we got in our previous email that GDPR request was sent to what company. So, and this is our due response. I now click execute. So now it will find that it's response to our GDPR request, and it will just send the information notice and store CV in our database. So, and as you see, it's appeared in our database automatically based on sender, and we also send request to our candidate that your CV was stored in our database. So everything flow can be adjusted. So the only trick is to write correct instructions that it is CV email, or write good ones and provide correct system template, because it still needs to be improved. But you see the flow, everything kind of works. Also, we have another bit where we once a day we can send email to company, for example in this one. So if I click execute every day, so I get the same address, I determine all the collected emails, I get their attachments, and I send them. So, and eventually I got this same CV which was sent previously. So that's how everything works, and all the integration with Nexis is working, and this flow can be adjusted and can be applied just as additional thing to your company business rules. So that's it.